This is a video about the key educational motivators for Indigenous Australians. Why is this important? 3 of the 7 Closing the Gap targets from 2008 outlined by COAG were in relation to education. These are to do with closing the gaps in school attendance, halving the gap in reading, writing and numeracy, and halving the gap for Year 12 attainment. Research shows that achievement is strongly linked with engagement. This is why understanding what motivates and engages Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders in education is so important. Andrew Martin in 2006 has established a framework to understanding the educational motivators of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders. These are as follows. The self has several themes, including a positive identity as an Indigenous person, a positive identity as a student, and having academic resilience. These 3 themes work well with Ed Desi's self-determination theory, whereby if the student wants to learn, the student will learn. Cognitive and affective includes engagement facilitators such as parents or caregivers, and achievement facilitators such as Kathy Freeman's foundation that supports all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders at school. When failure dynamics are present within the classroom, like if the teacher expects the Indigenous student to fail, they inevitably will. If educators treat all students as equal, the likelihood of shame is reduced and Indigenous students will engage more in the classroom discussions. Socialisation and child rearing relate to the importance of family in modelling a good learning environment. By modelling positive outcomes of learning, automatically children take this on as well. Pathways and transitions are about individually tailored learning plans which meet the student's needs. This also incorporates their cultural needs and aims to address any potential gaps in the child's learning. Significant others and their context highlights the importance of having a good relationship with teachers, the school, the community, the family, and peers. Ideally, these relationships are encouraging of learning. Contribution to general principles of behaviour refers to focusing on the strengths of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander learning rather than the deficits. Though it's important we know about the 3 closing the educational gap targets, the focus must be on the individual's strengths and the environment in which the individual is learning in. By adopting this motivational framework in schools, we can go a long way towards improving educational outcomes for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders.